Well, today's the day. We're going to get her some new shoes on her. We're going to clean them rims up. It's not a big deal. We'll clean them up. I'm not worried about the rims. But today, we're going to get new shoes. That time, man. We got to get some new shoes on it so we can start working on everything else. That's my main big expense is the shoes. So let's do this, man. Much better. Oh, man, there was some super aggressive tires. Instead of 33s, truck looks so much better, man. Looks a lot better with the big old freaking meter tires on it. Yeah, she's a bad boy now. I'll show you the only rub spot I got. You can see it right there. Rub's really bad. So we'll whack them all. Man, those are nice freaking rims. Now what we'll do on these tires, or the rims, what we'll do on these is I'm going to clean these rims up real good, and we're going to paint them black, and then my lug nuts are going to be 4.5-inch spikes, and then I'm going to get center caps for this. They're like a trailer center cap. It's just for the center, and we'll go from there. But the spikes are going to be green because the truck is going army green. I was going to get some red ones, but anyways. And then the brake caliper, I'm replacing those with the new brake line, and that's going to be red. You know, because the brake caliper or the rotors are brand new, so looks really good, man. I love these tires, man. These Coopers, man, they got freaking huge lugs on them. It wasn't as loud as I thought it was going to be going down the road, but oh well. I'm going to get to cutting this plastic out real quick. So I just cut that plastic out. No big deal. It misses quite a bit, so she's definitely a fat freaking tire, dude. I mean, fat. I love it. That is so freaking cool. All new suspension. I still got to clean up that frame and paint it, you know, and replace the brake line and the caliper. But she looks really, really, really good. Really like it, man. She's doing pretty good today. So we still got a lot of work to do on it, man. Gotta get a big old winch for it. I really don't need it, but I won't get one anyway. But you can see how I cut that out over here a little bit better. I just notched this corner just to keep it from catching the tire. It looks really good. Like I said, I can still raise this front end up about 1 inch. I might mess with that today. I might go ahead and jack it up. I have to take the pry bar or the big breaker bar, because I don't want to be making a bunch of loud noise. So I might do that.